Okay, templates. Templates are used to create predefined folder structures. It puts everyone on the same page when it comes to filing, and there's no limit to the number of folder structures you can create with the basic templates feature. The advanced templates option provides three additional features. The first is the ability to mass apply a folder structure to all drawers in a cabinet. And number two, to include files within a template structure. And three, to be able to automatically sync changes to existing folders after a template has been edited. So let's take a look at each of these. All right, back inside eFileCabinet Express again, I'm going to show you first how to apply templates and do it drawer by drawer. I will then show you where the templates reside, how to create them, how to modify them or change them. So right now I am currently inside the human resource cabinet that I've created. These are all pretend employees, as you recall. And I'll just go to Darcy here, left click, right click, and apply a template. This opens up a window that shows me my libraries of templates. I have two libraries. One's accounting, and you can see I have accounting templates in here. I have an accounts payable and a tax client individual template. I also have the human resource library with a human resource template in there. And there it is. So I simply left click on the template and apply it. Okay, now what will happen is over here with Darcy, you can see that in her drawer, I have this folder structure from the templates now appears. So I have benefits, employee referral forms, payroll, etc. And so I can do that one at a time. Let me go up to a different cabinet and I'll go to the clients cabinet this time. Let's go down to, how about Benny Hill? Left click, right click, apply the template. This time I'll go to my accounting library and I'll go to the tax client individual template, left click and apply. And now you can see Benny Hill has a folder that just shows up, the 2007. Okay, so that is wrong. We'll fix that and I'll show you. That'll be good. And then the subfolders here. But I'll show you, easy to fix. I can left click here, right click. I can rename that and let's make that 17. And so I can fix that there, and then I can also fix it in the template itself. And I'll show you that in a little bit and how you can actually, with an advanced feature, sync it. And I'll show you that also. So I applied a couple of templates. That's one drawer at a time. The advanced template feature allows you to mass apply templates. If I click on a cabinet, I can apply the same template structure in all the drawers at one time. If I come up here, right click, then I can mass apply a template, but I'm not going to do that right now. All right, let's go to where these templates are created and modified. I come up to the hamburger menu, down to the admin tab, down to templates. And there are my two template libraries, my accounting library with the accounts payable and the tax client individual one, which I just applied. There's the folders, subfolders, and then the other one I have here is the accounts payable. So you can have as many libraries as you wish. You can have as many templates as you wish in the libraries. Here's my employee HR one that we just applied. You can see I have folders and subfolders. So there's no limit to how you set this up. Now, how do I create a new one? So let's go back to templates. Let's go to the libraries. First thing I do is come over to the right and say create template library. I click on that and let's pretend we're now in the insurance industry. I will call this insurance. Okay, so I'll add this template. So now I have an insurance library. Now to create my first template within the library, just click on the link here and I come to the right again and create a template. So we'll call this life insurance. and add the template. And so now I'll start to build my folder structure within the life insurance template. I come up to the template icon, I right click, I have choices here, new folder. So the first folder I'll call billing statements. There's my first folder. Come back up to the template, right click. My second folder I'll call documents. Enter. Add another folder. I'll call this medical examination. Enter. And I'll create two more. New folder, life policies. Enter. And the last one I will create is annuities. Enter. Okay, now I'm going to go back to the main menu. I'm going into my Robinhood clients drawer, and let's pretend Robin is a client of mine for insurance. I'm going to right click. I'm going to apply. Now I have a choice. I have my insurance template available and apply it. So now Robinhood in his drawer has that folder structure that we just created. Okay, now I'm going to go back to the templates and we're going to go into the advanced template benefits. I'm going to go back to the administration tab, go down to templates. Let's go back to the insurance template we just created. And inside the documents, I'm going to right click and I am going to upload a file. And it's this beneficiary form, group term life insurance beneficiary form, and open that and refresh. And you'll see in the documents now, there that form exists as part of the template. Again, this is an advanced feature. So I'm going to go back to my main menu. I'm going to go back to the clients drawer. And this time I'm going to go to Jane Jensen. I'm going to right click. I'm going to apply a template, which will be that insurance template. And apply. Now you can see Jane Jensen has the folder structure. Go into documents. And she also received that beneficiary form that was part of the template. Simply having the documents in the template, you can apply now in the advanced template, and you can see there is the form. Another advanced feature is the mass apply that I mentioned. However, before I demonstrate that, I want to go down first to Conterio Paul drawer, because remember I had this 2007 folder. It should be 2017. So let's fix that. And one of the ways to do that is to sync. So I'm going to go back to our templates. Going to the accounting template of tax client individuals. Okay, so I'm going to change the name of the folder to 2017. And then I'm going to sync it. Whatever changes I make in the template will automatically apply those changes in the drawers. All right, and let's go back and take a look at the Conterio Paul drawer. And it should have changed it to 2017. Let me refresh this. And sure enough, it made that change. So whatever changes I make inside the template, whether I add a document or add a folder, it will automatically, when I sync it, make the change in any of the drawers that have that folder structure. The changes will be automatic. So let's do a mass apply. I'm going to come up here to clients. I'm going to right click. I'm going to mass apply the template. I'm going to go to the accounting library, to the tax client individual template, and I'm going to apply it. And again, this is one of the advanced template feature. Now, every single one of the drawers inside this cabinet just received that folder. So let's go down to Peter Pan. You can see Peter Pan has received the folder because of the mass apply feature. Okay, let's move on.